In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore deleted items in ClickUp. We'll start by getting into ClickUp. Open your browser, head to Google, and in the search bar, type ClickUp. From the results, click the official ClickUp website and sign in to your workspace if you aren't already. Once you're in, we'll quickly delete a sample task so you can see exactly how to bring it back. Navigate to the project you're working on and pick any task you're comfortable using for this demo. Select the task to highlight it, then look for the three dots menu beside it. Click that menu and choose Delete. If a confirmation appears, approve it. The task disappears from the view, but don't worry. ClickUp moves deleted items to a trash area first, so they're recoverable. Now let's restore it. In the top right corner of the screen, click your account avatar to open the user menu, then click Settings. In the Settings area, find and open Trash. This is where ClickUp keeps your recently deleted items. Locate the task you just removed. If you see several items, use the list to spot the right one, then open the three dots menu next to that task and click Restore. ClickUp immediately puts the task back where it was. Let's confirm it worked. Return to your project or list view. If needed, refresh the page so your changes appear. You should now see the same task restored to its original location, complete with its details. That's the entire process. From deleting a task, to finding it in trash, to restoring it in just a few clicks. A few quick tips to keep in mind as you use this feature. Trash is great for catching accidental deletions, so check here first before rebuilding a task. Depending on your workspace permissions, you may only be able to restore items you created or items from spaces where you have access. If you frequently clean up projects, consider restoring from trash right away, so fields, assignees, and attachments come back intact. And while this walkthrough showed a task, the same approach applies to other deletable items that appear in trash. If you don't see the item right away, make sure you're viewing the correct workspace or space, and use Trash's search and sorting options to narrow it down. Also remember, some workspaces permanently clear trash after a set retention period, so it's best to restore important work as soon as you notice it's missing. That's it. You now know how to safely restore deleted items in ClickUp using the account menu, settings, and the trash page.